AI resumes that beat applicant tracking systems. Hired fast. Your cheat code to the interview room. Forget dragons guarding castles. The modern job seeker faces a far more elusive, automated beast, the Applicant Tracking System, ATS. This silicon gatekeeper stands between your meticulously crafted resume and the warm, beating heart of a human recruiter. It scans, parses, scores, and often, tragically, discards your professional life story with the cold indifference of a toaster judging bread. But fear not, weary warrior of the workforce. A new champion has emerged, the AI-powered resume. This isn't just spell check on steroids. It's your digital Excalibur, forged in the fires of algorithms and data, designed to slay the ATS dragon and get you hired fast. The Gauntlet. Why your beautiful resume vanishes into the void. Imagine sending your masterpiece, a symphony of achievements, formatted with tasteful flourishes and a subtle, elegant font, directly into a paper shredder operated by a robot with questionable taste. That's essentially what happens to an estimated 75% of resumes before a human ever glimpses them. Why? 1. The formatting fiasco. That beautiful two-column layout. The ATS sees hieroglyphics. That chic infographic summarizing your skills. Gobbledygook. That PDF saved as an image. Instant digital trash. ATS loves plain, boring, linear text. Think of it as a robot with the aesthetic appreciation of a concrete block. 2. The keyword conundrum. You might be a marketing maestro, but if the job description screams digital growth hacker and your resume doesn't parrot those exact words, rejected. ATS scans for specific keywords like a metal detector hunting for loose change. No match, no interview. It's like trying to enter a speakeasy without knowing the password, except the bouncer is a spreadsheet. 3. The context catastrophe. You mention increased sales by 200%. Fantastic. But how? Did you charm customers? Build a revolutionary CRM? Perform a rain dance? The ATS often struggles to grasp context and nuance. It needs clear signals, verbs like developed, managed, implemented, paired with specific skills. SEO, Python, supply chain optimization. Without them, your 200% might as well be 2%. 4. The buzzword blender. Stuffing your resume with every industry buzzword under the sun, synergy, leverage, disrupt, pivot, doesn't fool the ATS. It often just creates noise, burying your actual substance under a pile of meaningless jargon. It's like trying to impress a sommelier by yelling grape juice repeatedly. Enter the AI gladiator. How artificial intelligence fights for your job. This is where AI transforms from sci-fi villain to your career fairy godmother, albeit one powered by servers and prone to the occasional hallucination. Modern AI resume builders aren't just templates, they're sophisticated co-pilots. 1. Job description decoders. Feed the AI a job description, and it becomes a bloodhound. It instantly identifies the critical keywords, skills, qualifications, and even the tone the employer is seeking. Think of it as having a tiny, hyper-intelligent spy inside the hiring manager's brain. They really care about Agile Scrum Master certification and cross-functional team leadership. Prioritize that. 2. Keyword alchemists. AI doesn't just spot keywords. It helps you integrate them naturally and strategically. It suggests powerful synonyms, rephrases your bullet points to pack in more relevant terms without sounding robotic, and ensures your resume speaks the exact dialect the ATS is programmed to understand. It's like teaching your resume to fluently speak corporate robot. 3. ATS-Optimized formatting wizards. These tools generate resumes in clean, ATS-friendly formats by default. No fancy columns, no embedded images, no weird headers or footers. Just pure, machine-readable text, perfectly structured. They handle the boring compliance stuff, so you don't have to sweat whether your section headings are H2 tags. It's like having a meticulous robot butler iron your resume into algorithmic perfection. 4. Achievement amplifiers. Stuck writing responsible for sales? AI prompts you, quantify it. Did you increase sales? By what percentage? Over what time frame? What specific actions drove it? It pushes you to transform vague responsibilities into quantifiable, impactful statements that make both the ATS and human recruiters sit up and take notice. Increased regional sales by 27% YOY through implementing a targeted social media campaign and optimizing the sales funnel. That's the good stuff. 5. Tailoring turbos. Applying for 10 different roles? Manually tweaking each resume is soul-crushing. AI lets you save multiple versions effortlessly. Change the target job description, and the AI instantly suggests adjustments, highlighting different skills, reweighting keywords, reframing experiences, making bespoke resumes faster than you can say, "Please hire me." 6. Tone and clarity coaches. Some AI tools even analyze readability, conciseness, and action verb strength. They flag passive language, was responsible for jargon overload, or overly long sentences, helping you craft a resume that's clear, compelling, and punchy. It's like having a tiny, slightly pedantic English teacher living in your word processor. The comical side of the silicon job hunt, because we need a laugh. Let's be honest, the job search is often absurd. AI adds its own layer of unintentional and sometimes intentional comedy. The overzealous keyword stuffer. AI suggests adding blockchain to your resume for a pastry chef role because the job description mentions secure ingredient supply chains. Revolutionize croissant flakiness through innovative blockchain-based butter provenance tracking. Hired by a tech bakery? Maybe. Confused everyone else? Definitely. The buzzword bingo champion. The AI, trained on millions of resumes, might generate a bullet point so packed with corporate jargon it becomes poetry. Leverage synergistic paradigms to proactively ideate disruptive solutions, optimizing cross-functional bandwidth for maximal stakeholder engagement. Translation: had a meeting, wrote an email. The ATS might love it. The human reader will need a stiff drink. The creative formatting hallucination. Early AI tools could occasionally produce truly bizarre layouts. Your work experience suddenly appearing in a floating text box shaped like a dolphin, or skills listed in a font mimicking Comic Sans on acid. Thankfully, this is rarer now, but the image persists. The generic summary generator. Sometimes, AI summaries sound like they were written by a motivational speaker trapped in an elevator. A highly dynamic and results-oriented professional with a proven track record of driving excellence and fostering innovation in fast-paced environments, seeking a challenging opportunity to leverage core competencies. Does anyone not claim this? The applicant's desperation. AI, make me sound like I invented the internet and cured hiccups, but for this entry-level data entry role. The AI, ever compliant, tries its best, pioneered revolutionary data input methodologies, patent pending, while concurrently developing a groundbreaking universal hiccup suppression algorithm. Forging your ATS slaying weapon, practical AI resume tactics. Humor aside, using AI effectively requires strategy. 1. Choose your weapon wisely. Don't just grab the first free tool. Research. Popular options include Teal, Resi, JobScan, powered by AI, Skill Roads, and Enhance CV. Consider features, keyword matching, formatting guarantees, multiple versioning, content generation strength, and pricing. 2. Feed the beast. Quality input equals quality output. Your AI is only as good as the information you give it. Start with a solid base resume containing all your experiences, skills, and quantifiable achievements. Be detailed. Then, feed it the exact job description you're targeting. 3. Collaborate. Don't just delegate. AI is your co-pilot, not your autopilot. Always review and edit. Does the AI-generated content sound like you? Does it make sense? Is it accurate? Remove any robotic fluff or nonsensical keyword insertions. Inject your personality and unique voice into the final product. That quirky volunteer project? Keep it if it shows relevant skills. 4. Master the keyword balance. Use the AI's keyword analysis as a guide, but integrate them naturally. Avoid keyword stuffing. Forcing terms in where they don't belong just annoys the ATS and humans. Aim for seamless integration. Think lasagna, not layer cake. Keywords blended throughout, not dumped in clumps. 5. Quantify relentlessly. With AI's help, use AI prompts to push you. How can I quantify this achievement? What metric best shows the impact of that project? Turn managed social media into grew Instagram following by 15K, 45%. In 6 months through targeted content strategy and influencer partnerships, driving a 20% increase in website traffic. 6. Tailor ruthlessly. Never send a generic resume. Use AI to swiftly tailor every single application to the specific role and company. Highlight the experiences and keywords most relevant to that job description. This is the single biggest advantage AI offers for speed and effectiveness. 7. Proofread like a human hawk. AI can make grammatical errors or suggest awkward phrasing. Typos are resume kryptonite. Proofread meticulously yourself, and consider a human second pair of eyes, or use a dedicated grammar AI like Grammarly after your resume AI. Beyond the ATS, winning the human. Remember, the ATS is just the first boss level. Your AI-optimized resume gets you to the human recruiter. Now it needs to impress them. Readability rules. Ensure the final version is clean, professional, and easy for a human to skim in 6 to 10 seconds. Use clear headings, bullet points, and white space. AI gives you the ATS-safe structure. Make it visually appealing for humans too. Tell your story, weave a narrative. Show progression, impact, and the unique value you bring. Use strong action verbs and focus on achievements, not just duties. The AI helps structure this. You provide the compelling content. The human touch. Let your personality subtly shine, especially in the summary or cover letter, which you should also tailor using AI insights. What makes you different? What drives you? AI gets you in the door. Your authentic self lands a job. The future is now, and it's hiring. The job search landscape is evolving at warp speed. AI is no longer a futuristic gimmick. It's an essential tool in the modern job seeker's arsenal. Embracing AI resume builders isn't cheating, it's adapting. It's leveraging technology to cut through the digital noise, navigate the algorithmic gatekeepers, and finally get your skills and experience in front of the people who matter. So, stop yelling into the ATS void. Stop sending beautiful resumes into the digital abyss. Arm yourself with AI. Use it smartly, strategically, and with a healthy dose of human oversight and humor. Craft that laser-targeted, keyword-rich, achievement-packed, ATS-slaying masterpiece. Turn the soul-crushing job hunt into a streamlined, strategic campaign. Get past the robots. Get seen by humans. Get the interviews. Get hired fast. Now go forth, optimize, and conquer. And maybe tell your AI copilot to lay off the synergy suggestions for your next application. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.